Parsley is one of the most underestimated plants in the kitchen. It sits quietly on the edge of plates, sprinkled almost as an afterthought. Many people remove it without tasting. Others ignore it entirely. Yet parsley is not decoration. It is structure, balance, and intention. Botanically, parsley is Petroselinum crispum, a member of the Apiaceae family. This places it alongside carrots, celery, fennel, coriander, and dill. That family connection explains its aromatic complexity and subtle bitterness. Parsley originated in the Mediterranean region. Ancient Greeks valued it long before it reached modern kitchens. It was associated with death and rebirth, used in ceremonies and crowns rather than meals. Romans later shifted its role toward food, spreading it across Europe. There are two primary culinary types, curly parsley and flat-leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley. Curly parsley is more robust and slightly bitter. Flat-leaf parsley is softer, greener, and more aromatic. Professional kitchens overwhelmingly prefer flat-leaf parsley for flavor. Parsley's flavor is clean, grassy, and mildly peppery. It does not dominate. It clarifies. It resets the palate. This makes it essential in dishes that rely on balance rather than intensity. Raw parsley delivers freshness. Chopped finely, it lifts heavy foods. It cuts through fat. It brightens proteins. In salads like tabbouleh, parsley is not a side ingredient. It is the base. Cooked parsley behaves differently. Heat softens its edges and releases deeper vegetal notes. Added at the end of cooking, it preserves brightness. Added earlier, it blends into the background, reinforcing structure without announcing itself. Parsley stems are often discarded, which is a mistake. They contain intense aroma and are ideal for stocks, sauces, and slow cooking. Waste comes from misunderstanding, not necessity. Nutritionally, parsley is far more powerful than its size suggests. It is rich in vitamin K, critical for blood clotting and bone health. It provides vitamin C for immune function and vitamin A for vision and cellular repair. Parsley also contains flavonoids like apigenin, studied for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Historically, parsley was used medicinally to support digestion and freshen breath. Its chlorophyll content contributes to its cleansing reputation. While detox claims are exaggerated, parsley does support metabolic balance through micronutrient density. Parsley is low in calories but high in impact. This combination makes it valuable in cuisines that emphasize freshness and longevity rather than indulgence. Culturally, parsley appears everywhere once you start noticing it. Middle Eastern cuisine treats it as a vegetable. French cuisine treats it as a foundation herb. Eastern European cooking builds soups and sauces around it. In Italian cooking, parsley often replaces basil when subtlety is required. In Latin American dishes, it merges into herb blends like chimichurri. In global cuisine, parsley is connective tissue. Visually, parsley communicates freshness. Green means alive. A dish without green feels unfinished. Parsley completes the picture. The biggest mistake with parsley is using it dry when fresh is available. Dried parsley loses aroma and becomes decorative rather than functional. Fresh parsley is a living ingredient. Another mistake is under-seasoning it. Parsley needs salt and fat to unlock flavor. Alone, it seems mild. Paired correctly, it shines. Parsley does not shout. It supports. It stabilizes. It finishes. It is not optional. It is intentional. Parsley is the difference between food that tastes complete and food that tastes heavy.